markets, please. Monday morning, you want to know where your money's going. Dow up 70, Nasdaq down 17. Jeff Sica with me this morning. We've got to talk about Nvidia, because that's the all-important earnings report, comes out Wednesday after the bell. Why do you say that Nvidia stock could come down, I repeat, down 25% in September?
I might be the only one saying this, Stuart, but you know what? I think I dislocated my shoulder, patting myself on the back for recommending it on your show in 2018, which was $3 split adjusted. But here's what I think. Back in July, Jensen Huang, the CEO of Nvidia, came out and said that there could be some delays in the Blackwell chip, which is their big GPU that they put a lot of faith in. There has not been a ton of clarification as to the potential delays. But what I see with Nvidia is I see a stock that virtually everybody loves. Their earnings are going to be good, but they're not going to be as good as people want them to be. We're going to see a doubling in revenue, a doubling in sales, but they're not going to be as good. And you have this Blackwell chip potential defect hanging over it, and as a result of that, you've seen there's been about 360 hedge funds that have reduced their positions. Now, nobody, including myself, is selling all of their positions, because let's face it, they own 80% of the AI chip market, sure. And AI is a big thing. And then when you have companies spending tens of billions, hundreds of billions of dollars in this ramp up in AI, they're the direct beneficiaries.
So if it did come down 25% in September, that would spill over into the rest of the market big time, wouldn't it?
Yeah, because if you look at the market last year, I mean, the market was strong, has been strong in 2024, but if it wasn't for AI, if you remove Nvidia, you know, hail to the king. Nvidia is the king. They've come from virtual obscurity to be the top of the top. So if they do, that's why I consider this Wednesday's earnings report more important than Powell's testimony last week. I think it might be the most important thing that the market has to focus on this entire year.
Right. If you're on videotape with a 25% drop in the stock in September, you'll be back on to justify your position if you're not careful. Jeff Sica, you have a nice day, okay?